Today, I'm excited to show you how to tailor your resume for success with the help of ChatGPT. Whether you're aiming for your dream job or just want to update your resume, ChatGPT can make the process a breeze. Let's get started. The first step is to analyze the job description. So let's use ChatGPT to help us identify the key skills and qualifications. Copy the job description and head over to ChatGPT right here, this interface right here. So let's say I already copied the job description that I just found. So we'll ask ChatGPT to highlight the important keywords and skills. So here we go. This is the job description, for instance. Then here's what I asked. Highlight the key skills and qualifications in this job description. Perfect. So let's see how this goes. Yeah, perfect. As you can see, ChatGPT is currently highlighting the key skills and qualifications for us. Now we can clearly see what the employer is looking for, making it easier to tailor our resume accordingly. With these insights, we're ready to move on to crafting a compelling resume. Let's keep going. Next, we'll focus on the experience section. It's important to tailor each bullet point to reflect the skills and achievements relevant to the job you're applying for. Let's have ChatGPT help us with this. So you either copy the section from any of your previous job experiences, any details, including the achievements and such. You can just paste it right here in the input, then provide a prompt, or you could use the memory feature instead for an easier way, that is. So here's what I do. I'll input a CV document right here. As you can see, CV resume. Then I'll type in, remember all these details in this document. Here we go. Then hit enter. Here we go. As you can see, ChatGPT would notify and then scan and then collect every data from that document and will remember from here. I mean, it's not yet updated through the memory feature, that is, but we can make it work with another prompt. Just watch. It's currently processing, and yeah, okay. So let me try it again. Let's say Chat GPT, remember these what you got from the document I sent to you. Here we go. It's currently processing. Yeah, there we go. Memory updated. See? Nothing much going on, but we'll proceed. So here's one that I just sent. Here's the prompt that I put together following this. It says, rewrite my experience as a junior data analyst to highlight my team leadership and data analysis skills. Oh, it's like been bamboozled for a second there. I thought there would be no response there. Anyways, back to the topic at hand with this. See, I did not need any more text information. As you can see, ChatGPT already has it beforehand. Professional experience, there it is, the junior data analyst, right here. And let's see how this goes. So by asking ChatGPT to rewrite our experience, we can ensure that it would align perfectly with the job description. As you can see, here are the new bullet points ChatGPT generated for us. They emphasize our team leadership and data analysis skills, making our experience more relevant to the job. This not only makes our resume more targeted, but also shows the employer that we have the specific skills they are looking for. So with these tailored bullet points, our experience section is now much stronger and more compelling. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, Please and please make sure consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm just to show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Don't forget to update the skills and education sections as well. To make sure we're including the right information, let's have ChatGPT help us identify the key skills and certifications needed for this job. So let's say, what skills and certification should I highlight for the data analysis position? So, by asking ChatGPT, we can ensure we don't miss any important qualifications. So let's go. So as you can see, ChatGPT, based on this process, has provided us with a comprehensive list of skills and certifications that are relevant to a data analysis position. This ensures our resume is not only complete, but also tailored to highlight exactly what the employer is looking for. Finally, it's time to proofread and add any final touches. We want to make sure there are no typos and that the formatting is clean and professional. So let's get ChatGPT once more, let's say, to help with this step. So here's my prompt. Check my resume for grammar and spelling errors. It's quite simple. So by asking ChatGPT to proofread our resume, we can catch any mistakes and ensure our document is polished. So you can see right here. So here are the corrections in the whole resume itself. So ChatGPT has highlighted a few errors, possibly depending here as it currently processes, and suggested corrections. Later on, couldn't see it just yet. So yeah, this step ensures that our resume is error-free and professionally presented, making the best impression on potential employers. And there you have it. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you can create a tailored resume that stands out and showcases your qualifications effectively.